Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump straight to the eyes. For today's look, I'm using the Celestial Thunder Dominant Cosmetics palette. I'm obsessed with these colors. And let's start with the crease color. I'm going to be using this color right here and taking the eye smudger brush. I'm going to apply this color little by little on the crease. And you just want to keep blending little by little. And then I'm going to move forward with this look, taking a smaller brush, this one right here. I'm going to be taking the color, a little bit darker color. And this one is the Storm Dust. And I'm just going to be applying it pretty much on the same spot we applied the other color. Just taking it a little bit lower this time. And you just want to keep adding little by little, patting motions. And then you're just going to do side to side motions. Now to fade a little bit more on the crease, I'm going back with the same brush that we started with no product on it. It's just whatever it had left, and I'm just blending everything together. Now taking a clean brush without no product, I'm going to be blending the edges. You just want to be careful with this. Take your time and just keep blending. Okay, my loves, now taking a flat brush. This is a clean flat brush. All my brushes are from BS Cosmetics. I just want to mention that in case you guys were curious. Now taking the Mystic Eyes, I'm going to be placing this beautiful blue color all over my lid. And what I do is start adding the color little by little so it's easier to blend the other colors together. And just remember, my loves, all these eyeshadows look take time, so you need to have a little bit of time in your hands and a lot of patience, because you gotta do these steps over and over till you get the desired color that you like. Now to darken up the corners a little bit more, I decided to go back with the same shade, the Storm Dust. I'm going to be placing this on the corner of the eyeshadow look and blending a little by little with the same smaller brush. This brush is by Morphe, sorry. And now going back with the big clean brush, I'm just blending the edges. And now to finish up the look, like always, you need some beautiful lashes. And I'm just going to apply my lashes really fast. And then go back with the same shade that we started with, the Lunar Eclipse. I'm going to be blending that on the lower lash line. Now to finish up the look, I'm taking the shade Eternal Light. And that's going to be all, my loves.